Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm going to show you how we test this VVT sensor. That's the variable valve timing. Okay, this sensor actually plays a very crucial role in optimizing the performance, efficiency and emissions. Okay, so this I'm going to clip this part here. It has 2 points, that's a positive and a negative point. Okay, and from there we are going to turn this multimeter. Okay, and we see if it's working or it's dead. Okay, so I'm going to turn my multimeter to continuity. Okay, yeah, that's how I'm going to connect it there. Then these other points, I'm going to use these multimeter probes to connect to the positive and also the other one to the negative. Okay, then see how it works. So first thing we'll be checking this continuity. So I'm pressing that point here and you can hear the continuity. Okay, so I'm going to test again once more. Okay, yeah, that's how it works. So that's how you basically test a VVT sensor with a multimeter. Remember, this sensor helps in continuously adjusting the the timing, okay, so that it will give you enough torque